Good morning, friends, families, future clients. This is your dependable broker, Broker Nick. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Barangay San Pablo in Santo Tomas, Batangas. Ayan, I will feature Valle Pio Executive Subdivision. As you can see sa video, malapit lamang po siya sa highway and walking distance lamang po from the highway yung gate ng subdivision. So, if i-feature ko yung kanilang mga house models, and if you are somebody na looking for malilipatan agad na property or pre-selling, ito yung feeling kong magandang i-offer ko sa inyo. And just keep on watching, guys. Thank you. Hello guys, I'm showing you Eustaquio model of Valle Pio Executive. So it's a single attached unit, meaning meron siyang firewall. Then with the minimum lot area of 54 square meters and a floor area of 52.5 square meters. Meron siyang 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a carport, and a balcony with a complete finish turnover. So meaning kung ano ang nakikita natin sa video, yun ang mata-turnover. So while I'm showing you the carport na cement finish na, wala na po tayong ipapaayos. Ang exterior po ng Eustaquio model is painted na rin po upon entry sa ating first floor. Naka-tiles na po ang flooring. Ang mga walls ay painted na. Ang mga electricals is strategy installed. Marami na rin po mga windows na merong aluminum na sliding window. Ang service area is naka-tiles na rin po with sink and faucet. Then showing you the first toilet and bath with complete bathroom accessories. Then yung mga stairs natin po is naka-tiles na rin, and meron na rin po tayong mga railings na painted. Then going to the second floor, makikita nyo po ang small balcony na meron na ring railings at naka-tiles na rin po. Then ang flooring po natin sa second floor is naka-tiles na rin. Then I'm showing you yung second toilet and bath with complete bathroom accessories na po. Then going to the first bedroom, naka-tiles, may windows for natural lighting purposes. Ayan. So talagang complete na lang po, ang kulang na lang po is kayo para lumipat. Then I'm showing you the master's bedroom. Mas malaki po siya dun sa first bedroom. So complete na rin. Then may mga sliding windows pa. Ayan. So wala ka na pong hahanapin kay Eustaquio model. And napaka-affordable po nito, by the way. So at the end of this video, makikita nyo po yung computation ni Eustaquio model. And I'm for sure makikita nyo na super affordable po siya. Yan, versus dun sa turnover deliverables niya. Thank you. Then ito naman po, makikita nyo yung current status ng Valle Pio Executive na subdivision. So makikita nyo may mga ongoing construction units, merong mga RFO. So ayan, so marami pa pong available dito, and mga roads is malalapad po. So hindi po problema dito yung pagmamaneuver ng sasakyan nyo. As I've said, along the highway lang po siya. So this is the computation. So if you are interested, feel free to contact me, and thank you for watching this video. Salamat!